You're watching the Weiss channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about word arrangements. Word arrangements. For example, what is the total number of n letter arrangements that can be formed using the letters in the following words? For example, successfully. How many word arrangements or letter arrangements can you make in this 12-letter word? Well, what you do, since there's 12 letters, is you take 12 factorial, all right, and then you divide by, well, how many S's are there? There's 1, 2, 3 S's, so that makes 3 factorials. How many U's are there? There's 2 U's, so it's 2 factorial. How many C's? 2, that's 2 factorial. How many there's only one F, okay, only one E. L's, there's 2 L's, so that's 2 factorial. All right, so wherever there's double, triple, or quadruple letter, that's when you use factorial on the bottom, okay? So you multiply that out, and by the way, 3 times 2 times 1 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. So 6 times 2 is 12. Times 2 is 24. Times 2 is 48. So you can do 12 factorial divided by 48, or you could do 12 factorial divided by, you gotta use these parentheses. Hit parentheses, and then the 3 factorial times 2 factorial, 2 factorial times 2 factorial. Hit parentheses again, and then equals. And you should come up with 9,979,200. Okay. Suddenness, 10 letters. All right. That's going to be 10 factorial divided by, how many S's are there? 3. How many D's? 2. How many E's? 2. How many N's? 2. Okay. So that's 10 factorial, also divided by 48, which will give you 75,600. Okay. Aggressiveness is 14 letters, 14 factorial, divided by how many G's? 2. How many E's? 3. How many S's? 4. So it's 2 factorial times 3 factorial times 4 factorial. 2 factorial times 3 factorial is 2 times 6, which is 12, times 24 makes 288. So 14 factorial divided by 288 gives you 302,702,400. Mississippi, 11 letters, 11 factorial divided by, how many I's? 4. How many S's? 4. How many P's? 2. So I'm going to do 11 factorial divided by parentheses, 4 factorial times 4 factorial times 2 factorial, close parentheses, hit equals, 34,650. By the way, on your calculator, if you get something like, let's say, 7.738956, okay, and then it says e to the 8th power, e to the 8th, okay, that just means times, that's the same as times 10 to the 8th power. So you need basically 8 decimal places. So what you're going to do is you're going to move this decimal 8 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8. You just have to add 2 zeros. So it's going to be 773895600, and that will be your answer. You've been watching the Weiss channel.